Imagine you are preparing to build a new billion-dollar factory. The site is currently empty, but thousands of robots must move in perfect, synchronized harmony. Historically, engineers wouldn't know for certain if robots would collide or if a bottleneck would form until the actual steel was bolted to the ground. Testing these layouts in the real world relies on physical trials. You build a prototype, run the process, and see where it fails. It is a slow, expensive method that can expose workers to genuine hazards. If you discover a critical error after installation, correcting it requires shutting down the line. Every minute of downtime bleeds revenue, and modifying heavy machinery wastes valuable materials. But what if you could hit fast forward on reality? What if you could put that factory through its absolute worst possible day, pushing production to the limit before a single brick is even laid? The industrial digital twin solves this by shifting the risk of physical experimentation out of the real world and into a safe, highly accurate virtual sandbox. Most demonstrations focus on an attractive, three-dimensional virtual space. However, a digital twin is not a video game environment. Visual detail is secondary to the intelligence of the model. A true twin is a synchronized loop. It ingests sensor data, processes it through physics-based equations, and outputs operational context. This enables virtual commissioning, running actual PLC code inside the simulation to verify every sequence before the physical machine exists. During a simulation, engineers might trigger an emergency shutdown. If the gears crash, the system identifies a hidden software glitch that would have been catastrophic. They correct the error digitally, often months before the physical robots are even delivered to the building. Virtual commissioning turns what would have been a physical disaster into a cheap, easily fixable software update. Integrating historical data and AI adds a predictive layer to the twin. The system models future performance based on patterns recognized in past operations. Consider a wind turbine hundreds of miles away. The digital twin detects internal degradation by identifying minor temperature and vibration shifts a human might miss. This allows companies to schedule targeted maintenance right before a component fails, preventing an unexpected and costly shutdown. Scaling this power requires federation, linking individual machine twins into a single factory model. With interoperability, the twin connects to the global supply chain, calculating how a distant port delay eventually reduces the capacity of a specific factory machine. This federated view elevates industrial decision-making, allowing leaders to optimize the entire ecosystem rather than managing isolated machines. Despite the sophistication, these models create a new danger: automation bias. This happens when operators trust the digital dashboard more than the physical reality in front of them. There is also the problem of model drift. Physical assets age, wear down, and undergo repairs. But if the digital model remains pristine, it eventually fails to represent the true condition of the machine. Faulty sensors or sensor spoofing from a cyber attacker can make the virtual factory appear flawless, while the physical equipment becomes dangerously unstable. Digital twins are built on simplifications. They cannot account for every grain of dust, variable material quality, or the unpredictable effects of human worker fatigue. Confusing the model with the real factory creates a dangerous environment built on false confidence. A responsible twin is a model that explicitly communicates its own uncertainty and boundaries to the user. It is a tool for support, not a flawless, autonomous reality that removes the need for human judgment. The ultimate safeguard is keeping human operators in the loop. They must have the authority to challenge the model when reality disagrees with the digital prediction. The future factory exists simultaneously as steel and people on the floor, and as data and algorithms in the cloud. The true value of a digital twin is its ability to make industrial uncertainty testable. It provides a trustworthy space to verify high-stakes decisions before taking an irreversible action in the real world.